Hi there, my name is Eugen. I am a technician from Appliance Service Guys, a local company that serves the Canadian city of Winnipeg. I suggest you right now subscribe to my channel. Let me introduce the Bosch dishwasher. The reason of the service call was that the Bosch dishwasher stopped supplying water and the wash cycle did not start. I'll check if this is true. I turn on the washing mode. I hear the pump running, but water does not start flowing into the Bosch dishwasher. Step by step, I begin to identify the cause of the malfunction of the Bosch dishwasher. First step, I check the water supply tape. The tape is open and water flows into the hose. Second step, I check the water supply valve to the dishwasher. It is located at the bottom of the front left side. I check the water supply valve with a multimeter. It is okay. Third step, I check to see if 110 volts is coming to the valve from the Bosch dishwasher control board. For the test, I disconnected the terminal from the valve and inserted two probes from the tester into the connector of the water supply valve. Now I'll turn on the Bosch dishwasher and wait about 2 minutes. This time will be enough to check whether the required voltage is reaching the valve. The multimeter shows 18 volts, but should be 110. Then the valve will open and water will flow into the dishwasher. I select the washing mode and check the parameters on the multimeter. Before the water enters the dishwasher will pump out the water. First, I need to wait a little. The noise of the drain and circulation pump is heard. Now there should be 110 volts at the terminals, but there are none. Fourth step, using a multimeter, I checked the wires leading to the control board and the connecting contacts. The wires are without breaks or damage. The contact terminals are also in good condition. Fifth step, using a multimeter, I checked the serviceability of the control board of the Bosch dishwasher. The control board is okay. All components responsible for the water supply are working properly, but water doesn't flow into the Bosch dishwasher. Sixth step, I asked the technical support of my company to send me technical documentation for this model of Bosch dishwasher. In the technical documentation, I found the description of the operating algorithm of the dishwasher. Before supplying water, the dishwasher turns on the circulation pump for a short time, and if a malfunction is detected in its operation, the wash does not start and the water does not flow. Step 7 is the final step. After checking the circulation pump of the Bosch dishwasher, I discovered that the pump impeller has a lot of play. The copper graphite bushings become deformed over time and the metal rod of the impeller become uncentered. In 7 diagnostic steps, I identified the cause of the Bosch dishwasher multifunction. To fix this dishwasher, I need to replace the circulation pump. The owner decided not to restore the Bosch dishwasher and invest a new one. The owner also entrusted our company with the installation of a new dishwasher. I installed a new LG dishwasher and connected water, drain and electricity. Fixed the new LG dishwasher to the furniture and tested its operation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to learn more about the process of repairing and servicing appliances in the Canadian city of Winnipeg. Thank you for your attention. See you soon. Bye-bye.